Thanks for joining us on Rolling with Adventure. We're going to do a quick adventure. We're going to Tecumseh, going down River Raisin. Could be Class 5 rapids.
Wonder if they're going on a Willow Run.
It has something to do with Memorial Day.
Yep.
That's cool.
I don't know if you can see it, we'll see. But we came upon some airplanes flying out for Memorial Day.
Oh, smoky. Yeah.
We have to go there and do fire.
Oh, again.
Here they are.
Oh my gosh, look on your side. Look up, look up.
The trolley.
No. Oh, that is cool. That is cool. It looks like the front of the bus.
It's actually a limousine, they call it from the company.
So after all the detour, we finally here. Tecumseh paddling. They have kayaks you can rent, or you can just bring your own and drop in, which we just brought our own.
They also have you can rent them, you can get it shuttled for like a 4 or 5 hour river tour. We're gonna do like a 2 hour. Another thing, plenty of parking. Like I said, drop in. Sometimes they ask a little donation to keep the dock kind of maintained a little bit. You don't have to. But gorgeous, beautiful day on Memorial Day. Obviously they have plenty of kayaks for you to try, tandems, singles, whatever, life jackets. They do a good job here. That's how we started out renting. See if we can get this set up here. Whoa, dude, that was almost a tip. I feel like this one's gonna be kind of a rough one today. Got some fish jumping this morning. Don't be reaching today. I really don't feel like going in. There's a bird coming right at us. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it's a duck.
Who's their dad?
They're not. They're sunbathing. Yep, just sunbathing. Look at that. Legs out. Legs are going back in. No, you can't see it, but we'll try to zoom in. Up, out.
Her leg.
A lot of times we're not able to actually come back here in this area because the river's been low, but a couple weeks ago we got all that rain. I think most people know. Oh, it's the turtles. It's the turtles, all the bubbles. Holy moly. Well, there's a lot over here.
It's turtle.
Bobber! I saw it. Keep it. It's a freebie. Oh yeah? Deer? Tecumseh does have a lot of deer for the area. They find their way into the woods, but they do travel through people's yards quite a bit. It's more of a city area. Had to make an adjustment, took sweatshirt off to give Linky Pooh something to sit on instead of the hard thing, and I found my graham cracker snack holder. Oh, got caught in the trees. Yeah, get right up in there and get that lure out of that tree.
Turn, tree.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the branches?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll shoot for this area right here. I got them stuck in your life jacket back. I don't know if you know that.
Where?
They're literally in your back right here, along your straps. Ooh, hit the log. Look, log right there. I just pushed it out of the way. We had so much power.
What log?
There's one of those dams walking past. Talked about.
Everyone's spinning around.
Coming up to one of the cove areas. And since we've been here before, they have the fake swans.
Branches.
Coming up to our first pull-out point. There is a parking lot as well. A lot of people fish here. I know we'll show you on the other side. Oh, kids just jumped in. He just jumped in the water. We'll show you the map on the board up here so you have an aspect too.
So this is the dam. Wow. That's crazy. Okay. This is interesting. Holy smoky.
So here's that sign I was talking about. A few trails right here. Indian Crossing Trail Park map. So we're getting ready to go down the river. Okay, let's roll. Let me get in and then you can go. It's already getting wild. You missed it, but we almost tipped over right away. Yeah, I was leaning pretty good.
I did see you kind of.
Well, that was good. You have fun? Was that cool? Yeah?
I want to go back to the truck.
Yeah, we are. No, dude. I did not see the crane. Were we? Who? Who, you?
Me.
Oh.
It's like right on the shore.
Oh, yeah? I think that really tested our skill for a second.
Last time when we came here, we go down another trail. Then we saw
I'm giving Ev some space, so give me some space.
the dam. We could brought a kayak
Oh, yeah?
for the dam.
Okay, Ev, pick the path. Pick the path. So we pulled into a cove real quick because the phone said no more memory. And I'd like to record this, so. Yep, so I got the deer. It's right there. Look how close they are. Look at them. They don't even care. They don't even care. Keep paddling. They're right there to the left.
One of them are mama.
Yep.
That little one is. That big one is the mama, and that little one is the
Hey.
little. I will bury.
Sit back and just relax. You got some crane up front. Right in front of us. Look, right there. I'm hoping, maybe, right there, right in the center. We'll see if it'll fly. Because they are very majestic when they fly. And more deer right on the side too.
Where?
Watch it, watch it, watch it. Ooh. Almost hit that, paying attention. There it goes. It's gonna fly. Look at that thing. Oh, he just ran into the logs. Hug left, hug left. Gotta paddle through it. Oh boy. What is going on, Ev? It's getting us sucked in. Here we go. This is it. Oh boy, we just hit. Yeah, we're good. But you're gonna watch your paddle, watch your paddle. Phone's going wild. Okay, see where Ev went? No, wrong one. Get in there.
There you go. Grab onto the.
I think that's the one. Maybe. Okay, we're gonna hit it. Watch, keep your hands in. Good. Ha! Whoa, 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 whoa. Almost, butt's wet, butt's wet. Yep, we're good. Oh, we almost did it. Water was coming in hot. Woo! Wet butt. I think we got through it. Yeah. Did you get wet? I got muddy, I got wet. Okay, pay attention. Left side? That's an, so just outside you're talking. Oh, we got turned. Got a back paddle. Woo! You good? You good? Well, you should let me go. There, I'm good. Big bump, big bump. Hold on. Nope, hands in. Oh, I thought it was a little closer. Yeah, don't put your hands on the outside. Obviously, you see, we don't do a lot of river rafting. There's a lot of yelling and screaming going on here. River kayaking. Power slide. Power slide. He's turning. Got to power through. Got to get through it. Hard paddle. Get yourself through. Outside left. We got a crash in the back. Crash in the back. You're on your own. You're backwards. We got some stuck kids back there. Okay, moving off. Don't worry, we didn't lose him. He's still back there. So high up. And then the calm.
You might want to put it down.
It's okay. We're not going to hit. That's pretty far up. What? Oh, flip-flop. The old lost flip-flop. I hear vehicles, so that means we're close to the road. Watch it. Watch this. Stick. 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 We're good. Well marked for this says takeout ahead, so we're going that way. We're coming out to our takeout. There's another dam that goes from the pond down to the river. Kind of originally where we started, but you could continue. We have never continued. Now, maybe one day we will. Save me! Oh, save me! Are you gonna help? Save me!
Wetness level halfway down the pants. On the button down.
Hey, what the hell? Teamwork is the dream work. Manhandle single-handedly up one of these hills. Ugh.